Hey, Abbey Bike Tools. We've got our new T-Way. Have pre-order online right now. You can order it with 3 bits already installed, or our 10-bit holder, which is also magnetized. So you can pick it up if you drop it. It's going to happen. And it's going to come with any 10 bits that you desire. You need to tell me what you need. I can't be a magician and figure it out. You need to email me all the bits you need. AbbeyBikeTools.com.
And if you want to see a tour of Abbey's older facility, check out the link in the description below to see how these parts are made in Bend, Oregon.
You should come by this summer and visit. Sometime in August would be nice.
I might be there.